Hey guys, it's Tiger Storm, and today we're going to be making a chicken out of these pieces. And so first you're going to need the body, and this is how I like to do it. You just fold it just here and here, and then on these parts, this part, right behind me is DJ Master. You have to fold these parts in. You're going to need to fold those in, and make sure you don't bend anything. And make sure you don't bend anything. And then you have to fold it in with here, and you don't have to, but I like to use tape. I like to use tape so it sticks together. And I really prefer Scotch tape, not any other colored tape, because then it would like get in the way. And I think tape might have been a bad idea right now. Yeah. So you have the option to put tape if you want to, and then you just fold these. Hold on, this is like, the chicken is really hard, I'm just saying. And even I'm really experienced with making this stuff, and even I think it's hard. Alcafuzz won't be joining us today. He is off with his parents somewhere. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And so you should have like this little toilet. And so you should fold these two in, and then fold this one in to create the body of the chicken.
You don't need a computer for local buying and selling. The Close 5 app for iPhone and Android is the easy way to get rid of the uploaded items cluttering up your closet and garage. It's also great for finding deals and bargains close to home. I use the Close 5 app because you can chat with buyers and sellers while keeping
more tape, because you can never have enough tape.
Take a picture, set a price, and accept offers from local buyers. It's that easy.
Close 5. Download now for free. Buy and sell for free.
And so what I like to put on next, I like to put on the wings next. These are the two wings you should have. And you just stick them in. It's just as simple as that. You just stick the wings in. And you have yourself this part of the chicken. Well, you should have if you followed the directions, right? And I just need to put a bit more tape.
Was apparently seen running from the area. He was detained at the scene and then treated for injury.
And I just do the feet next because the feet are actually probably the hardest part. And then you just stick them in. Stick the feet in. Oh, and it comes with this pack. You have to buy this pack. Oh, I don't think you could see it because you have no light. It's an overworld animal packs, animal mobs, and that's how you build it. That's how you get this. You can buy it at Target. You can buy it at Target, Walmart, and Barnes & Noble. Now, time for the face. face is actually pretty complicated. The chicken itself is really complicated. So you just fold, 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 and then you stick them in.
Just released 10,000 steps a day in LA.
Like, I used to ride my bike 100 miles a day. Like, every few months, I would set these goals for myself. And I know that 10,000 steps a day is very healthy, so I thought there'd never been a book.
I'll get this. I'll get this.
He likens LA to a big pinata.
If this takes too long, I'll probably make a part 2 video. And that would be next.
Which is approximately 5 miles.
And I'm just going to use my glasses for this. You can use a knife, you can use anything you want. You have to pluck this part out because it just sticks in and it just stays there. And you have to pluck it out. And then you have to fold it out there.
It goes beyond just the Rose Bowl. We're standing at Devil's Gate Dam, which is part of the Pasadena Walk.
Historians say it was so named as many believe black magic and the occult played a role here. Down the road, you can trek through mausoleums where Jimmy Stewart and the Marx Brothers rest.
There are more celebrities buried at Forest Lawn Glendale than any place in the world.
The book's a nice reference on whether the walks are dog-friendly or not, paved or not, level of difficulty.
Okay, I finally got the face in.
Parking difficulty, plus 46 of the 52 walks are near a Metro bus stop.
And this is going to be really hard to put tape in, so you probably need scissors. Because I can't use my teeth because of braces. And braces aren't that bad.
ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Oh, and let me show you this guy who I made.
Coming up here, it sounds like something out of a children's storybook. A seal that takes a ride on a whale, but we have the pictures to prove it really happened. Up next.
And the 5 Americans who helped stop an attack on a train in France receive a special honor at the White House. What's this?
It's a high school assembly in Rock with a surprise guest. I think it's going to bring down the house. That story coming up today's Home. And looking outside right now on Running Springs camera, it's a beautiful day today. It's going to heat up for the weekend. We'll be back soon.
Okay, so you should have these parts all together. I'll be back for part 2.